Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. We just did a video of this one. It's an Attica 16 by 60, but there's something on the inside that we haven't seen yet this year. So I want you to get the chance to check it out. This home, they kept very, very basic. Notice there's not any shutters on the windows, and that's okay. Sometimes you're just looking for something nice and simple. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, I had to come in the back door because I couldn't get into the front. So we're a little bit backwards here. Let me shut this door. The wind is whipping here in Topeka. Coming into the back door, we're gonna have hallway down that area. Very basic. Look, they didn't even add a furnace door. There's the front door over there, so let's start there. The thing about the Attica home is it has a 46 by 61 window standard in the living room. That's unusual. Usually they're 30 by 61s, but there's more than one of them. So I could see why they have an enlarged window in here. So coming into the front door, this is a very wide open floor plan. It's got an eat-in kitchen. You could fit an island in there if you wanted to. This is the 3-bedroom version. The Attica is available in a 2 or 3. But what I wanted to show you guys is right here. You know, over the years, we've had a lot of different styles of these accent walls. And I brought a customer in here the other day, and I was really impressed with the colors and the way it turned out. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but you can hear. It's got a bit of a texture to it. But the colors are beautiful, right? We've got some darks, some lights, some nice warm colors with the matching Lysola countertop. But that is the new accent wall for this year. I like it. Urban oak on the cabinets. So this is a standard cabinet as well. This is a wrapped cabinet. Standard trim. Also a wrapped material. They did opt for a gas stove, standard fridge, hood over the stove is standard. That has to be there because of the light and vent schedule. That's a HUD building code. Heading down this hallway, this is the furnace, and I always recommend put a furnace door on there. Now, the lady I brought in here on Friday, she's gonna add her own. Her husband's super handy, so he's gonna put his own furnace door in there. Washer dryer area. By the way, these accent walls are no charge. So anytime you see one of our floor plans and you see a bunch of X's along one of the walls, that's what that means. That means there's an accent wall available. This is the primary bedroom, by the way, and that accent wall is gonna continue right into the closet here. Water heater on the other side. Primary bath. Kept it pretty basic in here as well. So this is a great example of what a home looks like with just the standard features. Try not to move too fast. Give myself whiplash. Inline sectional heating, guys. That means the heat duct work is right underneath where those registers are. You can opt to move them out to the side if you like. That's called perimeter heat. Back towards the secondary bedrooms. What's interesting about this floor plan is there's a nice little foyer type area in front of these bedrooms. I like it. I've always liked that about this floor plan. Bedroom number 2. Give you a glimpse of the closet here. It's starting to warm up. It's about that time, folks. Bedroom number 3. Time to get off the YouTube and book an appointment with me, huh? How about that? Come visit with me. We'll have some ice cream. Go over to the factory, see lots of homes in mid-production, and also I'll show you step by step how the homes are made. We'll get an idea of the materials, and you'll get lots of information. My name is Christina. I'm also the Mobile Home Mama. And boy, is it gonna be a great season. As always, thanks for watching.